Hi everyone! I have just started this channel and the first thing I had to figure out was the look and feel. I've done YouTube visuals before, so I wanted to build this one myself, make a little world that feels like me. This video is a walkthrough of my process and the choices behind it. I wasn't aiming for complex graphics or pixel-perfect polish. I'm a simplicity and humor person, so I went with a hand-drawn 2D draft style, intentionally simple in places, but alive. I began with the banner because it's the biggest canvas and sets the tone for everything else. I wanted three things to come through: fun, simplicity, and lightness. The world is anxious and complicated enough. I want this to be a place where you can express yourself as simply as you like. No one gets to take that away from us. For the profile image, I pulled from Korean meme culture, where realism and comedy sometimes matter more than perfect aesthetics. I have a hunch that with the whole K-pop Demon Hunters wave and those exaggerated faces, this style will keep growing. My take is a little fisheye face, easy to read in a second, and it sets the tone right away. And the subscribe button, honestly, the references say it all. A yellow meme face that slaps, okay? On this channel, I wanna keep exploring creativity and encourage small steps without comparing yourself to everyone else. AI can put together a photoreal image in seconds. Let's say we've lost our race, that still isn't a reason not to start. If anything, it's an invitation to bring what algorithms don't have: our feelings, our sense of humor, our context, our lived experience, our meta and post-irony. If you want simple, choose simple. If something makes you laugh, keep the funny. The main thing is make it yours. Thanks for spending this time with me. If any of this landed, please like and subscribe. There's another video waiting on the channel. And yes, creativity is for everyone.